The Indian Meteorological Department is now confirming that landfall has started of the very severe cyclone Hudhud. Coastal regions are now seeing the maximum winds now, last reported at 200 kilometers per hour. The wall cloud is crossing land according to the IMD in wind speeds at about 170 to 180 kilometers per hour. The Navy at about 10:20 had said that the edge of the storm had crossed land. It's been now almost an hour since then, and the IMD confirming that Cyclone Hudhud has made a landfall. That's when the eye of the storm crosses land and when the surge in waves is expected to be at its highest, possibly up to 2 meters higher than it's normally in terms of tide, 2 meters higher than normal tides expected or forecast. You're seeing these pictures of the coastline earlier this morning in Visakhapatnam, which was being evacuated, fishermen leaving the area. The rescue and relief teams have also been evacuating people. In fact, over 3 lakh people have been evacuated in 5 districts in Andhra Pradesh and another lakh at least from Odisha. These are pictures of Visakhapatnam, where our reporters have been trying to get you all the latest on the situation there. Let's go across, in fact, to Mausam Bhavan, where Hina Gambhir now joins us, the Indian Meteorological Department headquarters. Hina, so landfall has now started?
Well, absolutely, Amitabh, the landfall has now started taking place. The eye of the storm is just 25 kilometers away from Visakhapatnam, and according to the Indian Meteorological Department, there are 2 spirals for any particular cyclone. One is the outer circle, which is the cloud cover, which when that is actually hitting the land, that is when you see the surge in wind speed, the sea condition becomes very rough, and excessive rainfall actually starts at that time. That was happening till now, and now the landfall process has also started. It means the overall eye of the storm, which is roughly 30 kilometers in diameter, that has now started crossing Visakhapatnam at this point in time, and that's why the wind speed that we are seeing right now is about 180 kilometers per hour, and it may even surge up to 185 kilometers per hour. Also, what we are hearing at this point in time is that this process, the crossing of the eye of the storm from the land, it's going to take roughly 2 to 3 hours. So as by 12, this is likely to complete. In fact, landfall is expected to get over by about 12 o'clock. Just to show it to our viewers, the current radar images, this is from where it all started in Bay of Bengal and how it is crossing. This is the area where the landfall is in Visakhapatnam. Here is crossing like this, and remember, after the eye of the storm crosses it, that's when the landfall actually happens. Even after the landfall, the 6 hours are going to be very crucial, because this particular very severe cyclonic storm will continue to remain a very severe cyclonic storm for the next 6 hours, even after 12 noon, even after 12 o'clock today. But one more important thing is that while it's crossing the land at this point in time, it is the maximum disastrous zone. What it means is that it is not going to get worse than this. So clearly the wind speed, the maximum wind speed that we are going to see, worst is going to be around 170 to 180 kilometer per hour, which we are seeing at this point in time at the coastal areas of Visakhapatnam. This is the maximum disaster crossing the land at this point in time. It's not going to get worse than this. In fact, now from here on, slowly and gradually, the intensity of the storm will start reducing, and after the next 6 hours, it will reduce its intensity and become a cyclonic storm. Until that time, the coastal regions of Srikakulam, East Godavari, also Visakhapatnam and Vijayanagaram, these are the 4 regions which are likely to get worst affected because of this particular very severe cyclonic storm Hudhud. But clearly this was not as bad as Phylene, where the wind speed at the time of the landfall went up to 210 to 220 kilometers per hour. But here today with Cyclone Hudhud, the maximum wind speed that we have seen is between 170 to 180 kilometers per hour. So it was slightly on a weaker side than the Phylene last year, but equally devastating, because currently the wind speed, the heavy wind speed has led to heavy rainfall out there in the regions. Telephone lines have also become unoperational at some of the places, and some inundation is also likely, especially of the low-lying areas in the eastern coast of the country. Back to you.